Hi guys, in this one I'm going to go over Town Hall 12 Inferno Dragons. Now this one, after I've used it, it seems very viable. However, the Inferno Dragons have less health than the dragons, which means they can be taken out pretty easily by seeking air mines. So even after this video, it's going to be a situation where their potential is very untapped. They are worth experimenting in different ways. However, I'm only going to have this video going over them. Alright, the army we're going to examine today is going to be the Queen, the King, the Warden, 1 Electro Dragon, 14 Inferno Dragons, 8 Balloons, 5 Skeleton Spells, 1 Bat Spell, 4 Freeze, 1 Poison, the Blimp, 1 Wizard, 2 Yeti, and 1 Rage. Our Skeleton Spells are going to be really helpful for distracting single target Infernos, and the Bat Spell is going to be useful for distracting air defenses. The freeze spell is good as a panic. If anything is doing too much damage and you don't get it before you distract it, use the freeze on it, and the poison for the clan castle. Alright, let's go ahead and look at an example. So I tried this multiple times from different angles and it 3-starred every time, although it was pretty close consistently all 3 times. So to do this, you want to place the King, the Electro Dragon on one corner, place the Queen on another corner. It's good if you have the Queen's giant arrow ability being used here for the other corner to help out in the back end. Then place the Inferno Dragons. Once you got the funnel made, as well as the Warden and the Blimp, however, place balloons first to scan for initial traps for as much as they can. Once the Blimp exits the Warden's radius, use the Eternal Tome ability to get some invincibility. Then when the Blimp crashes, use a Rage on the Yetis, and this will help them take down a small area. Now, as you can see, this is very strong initially, so if you have a lot of high damage defenses kind of close to the beginning, it is really good for dealing with that. As you can see though, the back end is where the struggles, because the Inferno Dragons are going to want to go around the base. They're not going to want to stay in the center that much. However, this is where your spells, such as your Skeleton Spell and Bat Spell, really come in handy. So you have those to do distractions and help out. And the Queen is also helping out a lot too, being able to go over the walls and get pesky buildings that are hard for the Inferno Dragons, but not so much for her. Now the Town Hall is a very, very dangerous building, so you definitely want to make sure you have a couple of freezes for it specifically. In here, we didn't end up using our skeleton spells, so we're going to place them near the back end so they can start cleaning up. However, they tend to do less damage, so they're not able to do a whole lot to help, especially on high HP buildings like the Dark Electro Storage, but they do pretty well. Alright, that'll be it for this one.